Well, I only found one video of disassembling of a Huawei G300 and it was from a Spanish guy. Well, the camera was really bad, it was worse than mine, I know, so as I broke my screen, I ordered a new one on eBay for something like 20 euros. Now I'll try to disassemble the Huawei G300 and try to replace with the new screen. I hope this works good. I have all the keys here that came with the screen, the new screen. I took everything off, so let's start. Well, I'll pick this. Let's take off these 4 screws. This one, this one, this one, and this one. This will take off the wings, I think. Let's start. Oops, wrong one. It's this one. Let's take it off. Place them all here. Well, this one was the warranty one, so you know, avoided warranty from now. Well, it doesn't want to come out. Well, it's out. One more, and the last one from the top. Well, all the 4 screws out. I think the wings may pop out. Maybe. If I pull here, yes. As you can see, the wings come out. Well, they're pretty stuck. Well, they're out. As you can see. Whoa, lots of dust. Let's put it here. Now the top wing. Let's use the key. I have somewhere. This should be good. Well, we have to take this off. Maybe with this. Yep, it's out. You have to pull it up and then back, as you saw. I'll show you in this one. You see? Up. Up and back. Well, pretty stuck too. Well, now you have to pull it in the direction of top. Yes, pull it top and it will go out very well. One more out, 2 wings off. Now we have to take 4 more screws. They are this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's start. Well, by the way, I want you to remember that these aren't regular screws. They are a kind of special. I can show you on the camera, I think. Well, they aren't star or nothing. They are something weird that Huawei did. So just use the tool that came with the screen. And yeah, I don't know the name of this tool. My English isn't really good. Need to practice. One more out. Well, they are all 4 screws off. Now I think I can pull this up and it will get out. Let's try. Yep, you have a kind of a security here. You have to pull this thing up so you can take this part off. Pull this side and this side. They are 2. Well, this isn't that easy. It's pretty hard. Well, oops, almost took this one. Something is pulling it down. I don't know what. Have to see something over here, like this. Still being pulled back. Is that it? It is out. Made it. Well, now here on the back, on the bottom of the phone, you have to do something to take this off. Well, pull it to the bottom and it will go out easily. Well, this part is done. Now, what do we have to do? We already have our back cover over here, as you can see. Well, here we have it. It's our Ascend. Now, I have to see what I will do here. Well, to look like that first, let's put this aside or I will risk the screen. Well, continuing. Well, I didn't took the memory card off, of course. I gotta take that off. Here it is, my 16 gigs. Put this aside. Well, now what we have to do is take something like a small thing that I think is, wait, let me see here. See, we have to put this flex paste somewhere. It's a small flex, so is this one. Well, this flex over here, you can see it. You have to pull it up and it will come out easily, I think. Well, here it is. It went off easily. It's off. And you have to take also this one and this one, because they are attached to the front. So let's take it off. They are off. One more. A little press and they come out. Well, these three guys are out. Now let's take the front. The front have a little pieces of plastic over here, over here, over here, and over here that stuck it into the motherboard. Well, let's take it off. Well, first we want to take off the battery cable, or you may damage it. Well, this isn't coming out. What will we do over here? Let's see. I think that now is the part when you have to almost melt the screen so this can come off. Oh, I forgot these. We got two screws over here. These two guys have to come out. That's what was faulting. Sorry guys, not experienced. And these are star screws. I think it's star that you say. I don't know, in Portuguese it is. Well, this should come off. One left. They are not two, they are three. Here it is, coming off all the way. Well, we have to take this cable. Yep, here it is. It's coming off. Let's use this to press it here. Well, it's coming up. Not easy on top. Let's see if I have any screws to take off. No screws, I think. Maybe it is just struggled in here. Well, the top isn't coming out. I don't know why, but I'll try to take it. Well, maybe lifting this. Well, this is pressed. It's pressed. Where? It's right here in the middle. Oh, okay. There is one flex left. This one from the flash. I think it should come out or not. I don't know. I don't want to fuck this. No, let's keep it. Well, here it is. Well, I'm discovering one more flex here. Take it off. This also has two, I think. Well, it's coming up. Oh, it is coming up. I think this is because of the power button. Yep, it is pretty stuck over here. Well, it is. Wait, we have a flex over here. Well, be careful. We have to do this pull it. I'll see if I can take this flex off. It doesn't look possible to do that, but I'll try somehow. Well, it is not only well, I think I don't wanna fuck my phone. Yeah, so I'll just leave that flex over there and change the screen, the broken screen. Well, I have to hit it to take this off. You have to hit the screen with a normal hair dryer. With a normal hair dryer, I think we'll make it. So then you just have to put the screen back on here and it will work probably. Bye. I'll now change the screen. Well, that isn't on my plans. That flex again stuck in there. Well, so then I'll show you if the phone works after I made all of these. Maybe not, maybe yes. Well guys, I finished replacing the replacement of my new screen. As you can see, here is the old screen with all these pieces and everything. Well, I didn't put any glue on it. Well, I think the old glue, a kind of tape that it has inside, it handles the new screen perfectly. As you can see, it doesn't fall. Well, it's perfectly attached. It's Chinese, but it looks like the original one. Well, I've changed it. Connect all the flexes. Everything is alright, I think. Well, I'll keep on mounting it. I already put these screws, so it will be simpler now. We will only attach the things. The worst thing is disassembling, as I showed on before. Well, let's keep on. Let's put this aside. Some glasses. Well, I'll keep on. Let's put these here. Well, it looks. I need to put a screw there. or it lifts. There it is, fixed. One more, they are 4 at this level. Oops, I did a mistake. This isn't the first one. The first ones you have to put are those. These are this one, this one, this one, and this one. So, sorry for my mistake. Take it off. Sorry for that. That's it. Over here. See if they are totally screwed. Well, it's done. Now we will place the wings on the phone. Well, put this, you just have to make them click like this, you see? Well, it has a bit some things over here. Well, done. It's clicked, the wing. Now let's put the screw on the bottom wing. Here. Well, I kind of messed up with this screw, so it is a bit rubbished. Now it's a kind of circular screw, so that's why the tool jumped. Okay, one more. Now here we have to put the top wing. That's here. Let's click it. Make it click always, or it will not fit in the right place. Well, all clicked. One more. There, there. Everything okay. The buttons are okay. Here. Everything alright. Let's put one more screw here. Well tight, like that. On the Huawei reparation website they say not to get them too tight, but do it, because if you don't, your phone will be cracking and doing that kind of noises that no one likes, like when you touch your plastics. Well, all wings done. Now I will put my battery and SIM card to test if it works. Everything. A minute. Taking my old phone. SIM card. Let's put the SIM card over here. Let's put the memory card over here. And let's put the battery. Well, all done. Now it's time to put the back cover. Well, all clicked. Okay, let's clean this. Well, as you can see, much more beautiful than before. Now, let's turn it on. Well, it looks like it works. Yes, I have cyanogen. I hope everything. Well, the lights work. Here on the 3 bottom capacitive buttons. So looks like until now everything fine. Well, let's see if the touch works. Yes, it does. Good. Well, I'll just put my code. Here it is. As you can see. Oops, my code isn't right. Oh yes, it is. Well, everything works. Antenna doing good. Everything okay. I have my network. Nice screen. Well, let's see if the capacitive. Well, the capacitive buttons work. Everything alright. It looks like I kind of passed the test. Well, now it's time to rock with this phone again. So guys, if you wanna replace your screen, yeah, I just tell you, don't pay that dudes that want like 13 euros to replace it and everything. Well, I just replaced mine now. The dude I found wanted 13 euros to replace it. So I thought, what the hell, I'm not gonna pay 13 euros when the screen only costs 20. Well, so I did, I replaced it, all the tools came with the screen. I'll put the link for the screen I bought right here below. Well, I know the video wasn't really good. I'm filming with my webcam on my laptop. But I think it's a better video than the previous on YouTube that was replacing screen too. So bye guys, thanks for watching. Remember to rate, like or dislike as you wish, and comment to help me with the future videos. So I'll try to do my best. Bye guys, stay with your Huawei.